Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning March 29th to April 4th, which is the week of Easter. I'm using this kit from PaperChicPlans called Easter, and I'm using some foil from the Planner Pixie Co. in a sparkly rose gold, and I'm also using some like leftover headers and date dots from Caress Press. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, so as usual, I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the base and I'll be back for the day by day. I'm also using some vinyl headers from the Grumpy Tortoise on the sidebar since I didn't have enough. But yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so now day by day, bear with me. I do not have my planner, so in the sidebar, I use this Angel Munchkin and a Happy Easter script from Rose Colored Days to mark that it was Easter, because I don't think I marked it in the week. So starting with Monday, I think I'm not going to mention like the boxes I use, because you know you guys can see them, so I'm just going to do stickers and stuff. So I use a YouTube play button sticker from the kit and a Plan With Me binge script, a custom script from Bella Plan Ella, which I PR for. So if you use my code ADIATU15, you get 15% off Bella Plan Ella and my freebie. I then use this like marking sticker from the Cozy Paper Co. and a work script from Simply a Mess to mark that I went to work. I used this pizza sticker from the Honeybee shop to note that I had pizza, and then a laptop from the kit and a planning time script from the GP Studio to mark that I did some planning at work. I think the pizza was to note that I had pizza at work. And then used this Mixie Cat Stuff planning sticker and a film Plan With Me sticker from Ice Cream Joe to note that I was filming a Plan With Me. I then used this like Happy Meal package bag from the kit and a Happy Meal script from Randy.plans to know I got some Happy Meal. I didn't, at the time of filming this, I didn't have the sticker I was going to use. So I just used a script for fun planning from Bella Plan Ella, and I'm going to use a custom sticker that I got from Pops and Pip of me and my husband, with him playing a game and me planning, to note that I was doing some fun planning. That's me just planning like in bed, and usually I do it while he's playing, so that's why I wanted to wait till I had that sticker. I then used a YouTube binge sticker from the Ginger Cat Co. to note that we had a YouTube binge. Moving on to Tuesday, I used a Tegan sticker from Bella Pan Ella with a sun to note that it was really, really hot that day. I then used like a scared girl, like waking up late sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio to note that I woke up late for work. I then used another one of those marking stickers from Cozy Paper Co. and the same work script from Simply a Mess to note. Is it from Simply a Mess? I think they are from GP Studios, so I'm sorry for that. I think I mark work the same way a week also. And then I use a vanilla with a book, I think it has a book to note that we were doing some Easter learning at school. I then used the same fun planning script from Bella Plan Ella. I left it blank to use the same sticker to note I was doing some more fun planning. I then used a Mixie Cat Stuff like chef kind of character to note that I did some cooking. And then I used a couple sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio to note that we were binge watching Snowfall. Moving on to Wednesday. So on a Wednesday, I used a Joy of Planning like girl. I don't know what the girl's called. It's just she's in a cute outfit and she has curly hair to note that it was really hot again. I guess this is a summer outfit, I guess, to me. And then I used a Valiant to my girl, like looking in the wardrobe to note I had no clothes for like no summerish clothes that were appropriate for work. So I had a very hard time finding something to wear that wouldn't melt in. I then used a Mixie Cat Stuff like sleeping sticker to note that I was super tired and I didn't want to go anywhere. And then I used the same stickers to mark work. I then used a what's it called? Stick with Planco like crafting sticker to note that we did some Easter crafts. And then I used a Fox and Cactus like FaceTime with a cat sticker to note I did my observation. I then used a camera sticker and a film Plan With Me sticker from Ice Cream Joe to note I filmed a Plan With Me. The camera sticker is from the kit. Then I marked fun planning again using the script alone, and obviously I didn't have the sticker at the time, so I'm going to move on to. So I used like a happy smiley Fox and Cactus girl to know it was the last day of the term. I then used a sleepy Stick with a Planko girl to know I was really tired and like struggled to get up though. I then used a scribbler from SBC, like a sick one, to note that I was feeling really ill and had a stuffy nose. And then I marked work the same way I've been doing all week. I then used a Crafting Jalen Paper Co. Starshine Girl to note we did some more Easter crafts all day. And then I used a like vanilla with like heart eyes to note that we had an Easter egg hunt, and I didn't really have any other stickers to mark it, so I kind of had to use that because I didn't know what else to use. I then used a gel in PaperChicPlans Starshine Girl like with stickers, and a pull stickers custom script from PlanWithAds to note that I was pulling stickers. And then I used a couple sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio to note that we watched Snowfall. That when I ran out of like couple binge watching stickers, I just used a couple stickers to note I was watching stuff since we don't really go anywhere right now, so, and we live together, so I need to be able to use all the couple stickers I have. Moving on to Friday, at the top I used a PaperChicPlans couple sleeping in bed sticker to note that we both slept in. I believe it was a bank holiday, or it's Good Friday, so that's why he didn't have work either. I then used a YouTube sticker from Pink Leaf Prints and a YouTube binge script from Planet Hannah to note a YouTube binge, probably both of us. And then I used a couple eating sticker to note that we ordered some African food and we ate that. That sticker is from PaperChicPlans, and then I used a Whimsical Cat Studio couple sticker to note that we watched some more Snowfall. I then used 2 movie marquees. This kit did not come with movie marquees, so both of them look like they are from Simply a Mess. So in the first one, I used a Glam Hannah teeny couple movie binge sticker to note that we watched the Time Traveler's Wife. And in the second one, I used a Fox and Cactus movie sticker by herself to note that you watched Can You Keep a Secret? I think I watched the last one by myself, hence why I used a lone sticker for that. On to Saturday, I used a couple sticker laying in bed again to note sleeping in. This one is from Whimsical Cat Studio. I then used a YouTube play button sticker from Adorably Amy Designs and a Plan With Me binge script from Bella Plan Ella to note Plan With Me binge. I then used a Mixie Cat stuff like planning sticker with tweezers and a fun planning script to note fun planning. This time I guess he wasn't playing games, which is why I just noted I was doing it. The fun planning script is once again a custom from Bella Plan Ella, which most of my customs are from. I then used a Starshine Girl from Jalen Paper Co. Cooking to note that I made some breakfast. I then used a grocery bag icon from Pink Diamond Planner Co. A foil bundle in the sparkly rose gold, and a grocery run script from Adorably Amy Designs to note that we went and did some shopping, food shop. I then used a couple sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio to note that we started watching the 100. I believe that we had caught up with Snowfall the previous day and we were like up to date. And then we started the 100, which was my choice, which I was excited about, which we have since finished. Not that I liked how it ended, but it's fine. I then used a Prime Video sticker to note that we I don't know what that is to note. Oh, no. Let's start that again. So the couple sticker is to note we finished Snowfall. Well, we were up to date on Snowfall. And then the Prime Video sticker is to note that we started the 100 because we watched it on Prime Video. That makes more sense. Sorry about that. And then I'm so ahead of myself, but I'm going to continue and move on to Sunday. So on Sunday, I used a Mixie Cat Stuff sleeping sticker to note that we slept in, one of the two, probably since I didn't use a couple sticker. Then I used a YouTube play button sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a Plan With Me script from, you guessed it, Bella Plan Ella to note a Plan With Me binge. I then used a Whimsical Cat Studio planning girl to note that I was filling out my planner. I think that was my pen to paper planner where I put all my plans down before I film my videos. I then used a Whimsical Cat Studio, I don't know what that sound is. I think it's a plane or something. Sticker with like breakfast to note that I made some breakfast. That sound is really weird. I apologise if you can hear it. I then used a couples on the couch binge watching to note that we were binging the 100. I then used a Honeybee Shop girl with stickers and a play with stickers script from Ice Cream Joe to note that I played with some stickers. I then use a couple sticker from PaperChicPlans and a Lazy Day script from Adorably Amy Designs to note that we had a lazy day that day. And then use a Mixie Cat stuffed cat with some pizza and a pizza night script from Bella Plan Ella to note that we had a pizza night, which is a very common for us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm soon going to show you a wiggle. I really love rose gold sparkle foil, like it's one of my favorites, and I love the foil from Planner Pixie Co. It's just amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below what you thought of this video. All of my videos are really, late. Like, I've planned them, but doing the voiceovers has taken like a while, but I will be up to date soon. Well, I'm up to date in the filming, just not on the uploading. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.